यस आज हम करेंगे एडिटोरियल मैटर राजस्थान के रिगार्डिंग इम्पोर्टेंट है। यस बी रेडी स्टार्ट। इन व्हाट इज टर्निंग आउट टू बी अ प्रेडिक्टेबल सीक्वेंस इन द एनुअल स्वच्छ सर्वेक्षण अवार्ड्स, इंदौर was ranked the cleanest city for the fifth year, followed by Surat and Vijayawada. Full stop. Chhattisgarh was the cleanest state for the third time in the category of states with more than 100 urban local bodies. Full stop. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's constituency Varanasi won for the cleanest Ganga city. Full stop. The organizer, the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, surveyed 4,320 cities for nearly a month and solicited feedback from 4.2 crores people. Full stop. The metrics within bracket cities were garbage disposal, open defecation, free ratings, functionality and maintenance of community toilets, and safe management of fecal sludge. Full stop. The Sarvekshan Awards have a wide range of categories that segregates cities based on their population. Full stop. While they attempt to capture the diversity of urban agglomerations, on the other, it is hard to deflect criticism. Every state has at least a few participants who will top one category or the other, thus making the process a Gantt scheme. Full stop. Along with a category such as states with over 100 urban local bodies within bracket ULB, where Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh were ranked second and third respectively, there was also a top ranker for state with less than 100 ULBs, where Jharkhand was judged the cleanest. Full stop. Then there was a category for a Ganga city and separate population wise categories. Full stop. This year there was a Nobel Prerak Dwar Samman that saw Indore, Surat, Nai Mumbai, New Delhi Municipal Council and Tirupati categorized as Divya within bracket platinum. Full stop. They were assessed for solid waste management. Full stop. Unsurprisingly, these were entities that had already topped ranks in other categories. Full stop. Next stanza. Rankings serve two broad purposes: a publicity boost and recognition for the other winners, but also motivation to climb higher on the totem pole. Full stop. Though the number of cities surveyed has increased since the first edition of the survey in 2016, it appears that the same cities, Indore, Surat, for instance, keep topping the list. Full stop. 6 years is a good time to take stock of what the ranking program intends to achieve. Is it motivating cities to significantly allocate resources towards improving sanitation? Question mark. Are cleaner cities cleaner because they are better positioned to access state funds and thus able to pull further away from other cities? Question mark. Do state focus their energies and funds in keeping some cities clean to avail of a rank in any of the wide number of categories? Question mark. Reducing a metric as complex as sanitation and cleanliness to blunt rankings can often induce a a false sense of progress, full stop, both at the regional level and at the center. There should be more qualitative analysis of whether India's cities are getting cleaner in the aggregate or if numbers are hiding inequity, full stop. A total of 15 ministers were sworn in on Sunday as the Ashok Gehlot ministry in Rajasthan was expanded, taking the strength of the Council of Ministers to the maximum permissible limit of 30, full stop. 11 of the legislators who took oath were inducted as cabinet ministers and 4 as ministers of state, full stop. Next है Governor Kalraj Mishra administered the oath of office to the new ministers on the Raj Bhavan lawns here, full stop. This was the first cabinet expansion and reshuffle of the Gehlot government since it came to power in 2018, full stop. The expanded cabinet has 3 women and 4 Dalit community members, full stop. The ministry now has 19 cabinet ministers and 10 ministers of state besides the chief minister, full stop. Next the new cabinet ministers include Mamta Bhupesh, Bhajan Lal Jatav and Tekram Julie, who were elevated from the rank of Minister of State, full stop. 2 former ministers, Vishwendra Singh and Ramesh Meena, who were sacked along with then Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot after his rebellion in July 2020, made a triumphant comeback to the cabinet, full stop. The other cabinet ministers are Hema Ram Chaudhary, Mahendrajit Singh Malviya, Ramlal Jat, Mahesh Joshi, Govind Ram Meghwal and Shakuntala Rawat, full stop. Next thou Mr. Gehlot had collected resignation letters from all the ministers on Saturday. He handed over the papers of only 3 of them to the governor for acceptance, full stop. Govind Singh, Harish Chaudhary and Raghu Sharma were dropped in accordance with the one man, one post formula in the Congress. The 3 hold official position in the party, full stop. Next Mr. Gehlot told press persons after the swearing in that while an attempt had been made to give representation to all selections in the cabinet, full stop, the portfolios would be allocated keeping in mind. PDF का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है.